The history of the British royal family is a long and fascinating one, stretching back over 1,000 years. From the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms to the present day, the monarchy has played a central role in shaping the nation's identity, politics, and culture. This response will delve into the stories of several famous British royal figures, exploring their lives, reigns, and lasting legacies. The early monarchs and the Norman conquest. Before the Norman conquest of 1066, England was ruled by a series of Anglo-Saxon kings. One of the most famous of these was Alfred the Great 849-899, who defended his kingdom of Wessex against the Vikings and laid the foundations for a unified English state. He was known for his military prowess, his promotion of literacy and education, and his legal reforms. The year 1066 marked a turning point in English history with the invasion of William, Duke of Normandy. William the Conqueror c. 1028-1087 defeated the Anglo-Saxon King Harold Godwinson at the Battle of Hastings and established Norman rule over England. This event brought significant changes to English society, including the introduction of feudalism and a new aristocracy. William's reign was characterized by his efforts to consolidate his power, including the Domesday Book, a comprehensive survey of England's land and resources. The Plantagenets and the medieval era. The Plantagenet dynasty ruled England from 1154 to 1485. This period saw significant events such as the signing of Magna Carta in 1215 during the reign of King John 1166-1216, which established limits on royal power and guaranteed certain rights to the nobility. Other notable Plantagenet monarchs include Edward I 1239-1307, known as Longshanks for his height, who conquered Wales and attempted to subdue Scotland, and Henry Pancham 1386-1422, the warrior king who famously defeated the French at the Battle of Agincourt in 1415. The Tudors and the English Reformation. The Tudor dynasty 1408-1613 is one of the most famous in English history. Henry VIII 1491-1447 is perhaps the most well-known Tudor monarch, primarily for his 6 wives and his role in the English Reformation. When the Pope refused to annul his marriage to Catherine of Aragon, Henry broke with the Roman Catholic Church and established the Church of England with himself as its head. This act had profound and lasting consequences for English religion and society. Henry's reign also saw the dissolution of the monasteries and the strengthening of royal power. Henry VIII was succeeded by his son, Edward VI 837-813, who was a staunch Protestant. After Edward's short reign, his half-sister Mary I 816-858, a devout Catholic, took the throne and attempted to restore Catholicism to England, earning her the nickname Bloody Mary for her persecution of Protestants. Following Mary's death, her half-sister Elizabeth I 833-863 became queen. Elizabeth's reign is considered a golden age in English history. She was a shrewd and capable ruler who navigated religious tensions, defeated the Spanish Armada in 1588, and fostered a flourishing of arts and culture. Elizabeth never married, and her reign marked the end of the Tudor dynasty. The Stuarts and the Civil War. The Stuart dynasty 1613-1714 saw significant conflict between the monarchy and parliament. James I 866-162, who was also King James II of Scotland, united the crowns of England and Scotland. His son, Charles I 1600-1649, faced increasing opposition due to his belief in the divine right of kings and his clashes with Parliament over issues of taxation and religion. This ultimately led to the English Civil War 1642-1658, which resulted in the execution of Charles I and the establishment of a republic under Oliver Cromwell. The monarchy was restored in 1660 with Charles II 1604-1608, followed by his brother James II 1603-1678. James' Catholic faith and his attempts to assert royal power led to the Glorious Revolution of 1688, in which he was overthrown and replaced by his Protestant daughter Mary II 1602-1694 and her husband William III 1604-1702. The Hanoverians and the rise of constitutional monarchy. The Hanoverian dynasty began in 1714 with George I 1604-1727. The Hanoverian monarchs were less involved in direct political rule, and the power of parliament continued to grow. George III 1738-1820 reigned during a period of significant upheaval, including the American Revolution and the Napoleonic Wars. Queen Victoria and the Victorian era. Queen Victoria 1819-1901 ascended the throne in 1837 and reigned for over 63 years, a period known as the Victorian era. Her reign was marked by industrial expansion, social reform, and the growth of the British Empire. Victoria became a symbol of stability and national unity, and her personal life, particularly her marriage to Prince Albert and the subsequent mourning after his death, deeply resonated with the public. The 20वीं century and the modern monarchy. The 20वीं century brought significant changes to the role of the monarchy. George Pancham 1865 से 1936 changed the family name from Saxe-Coburg and Gotha to Windsor during World War I. His son, Edward VIII 1894 से 1972 famously abdicated in 1936 to marry Wallis Simpson, an American divorcee. This led to the accession of his brother, George छठा 1895 से 1952 who guided the nation through World War II. Queen Elizabeth II 1926 से 2022 became queen in 1952 and reigned for 70 साल, the longest reign of any British monarch. She witnessed immense social, political, and technological change, including the decolonization of the British Empire and the United Kingdom's entry into and withdrawal from the European Union. Queen Elizabeth II became a highly respected figure worldwide, known for her dedication to duty and her ability to adapt the monarchy to the modern era. The current monarch is King Charles III, born 1948, who acceded to the throne in September 2022. He continues to navigate the evolving role of the monarchy in the 21st century. This overview provides a glimpse into the lives and times of some of the most famous figures in British royal history. Their reigns have shaped the course of the nation, leaving behind legacies that continue to influence Britain and the world today. The monarchy has adapted and endured through centuries of change, and its future role will undoubtedly continue to be a subject of fascination and debate.